Today, we're going to take a couple of plumbing parts and make it into a marshmallow gun. Okay, so first, we want to shoot it. So you take a marshmallow, and let's give this one a try. Okay, let's put it in. Oh, did you see that, guys? Okay, so that was awesome. And do you want to see another one? Is that yes? Okay. Let's put it in here. Now let's shoot it up. Okay, at the camera. Oh, that was close, guys. I'm definitely gonna get you this time. Oh, that was close. And let's try one for me. That's definitely good. Okay, so this is step 2, and my dad has cut the pipes, as you can see. And for step 2, obviously you cut the pipes like my dad did already. And so this is a sanding block, and it's 220 grip. And we're gonna do this for to make the paint, the spray paint, stick to the pipes. And you're gonna need eyeglasses because you don't want to get all that dust in your eyes, and also a mask. Okay, so let's put it on. Let's put this on first. Okay, so this is an example. My dad has done this, and that's the example, and I'm just gonna follow that. So I need to get one of these, and I'm gonna take the outside like this, and just scrape it. And to know that you're doing like better, you can see the like letters and words that they're scraping off because you're doing this. And once you do this all done, you have to spray paint it. So this is actually kind of fun, I have to say, and this is like really fun just to do this. Like the marshmallow gun, when it turns out, it's gonna be good, I think. Phew, that was hard work. Well, now I'm done. So look at this, they're all done. So I think I'm good to go. Good, that's good. Okay, so a little YouTube magic and dad magic and a little bit of my magic, and it's done. Do you want to come take a look, everybody? So my favorite color is orange and green and blue, but I picked just blue because we live kind of near the beach, so I like blue too because I like water. But I think it turned out really good. Do you think? Comment down below. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Okay, I'm gonna give you an update. So we started with this, remember? And then my dad cutted it with this, and it's really sharp. But don't worry, it's closed up, and you have to have really strong muscles to open it. So do not worry. And then we sanded it, and then we painted it, and now it's time to put it together. Okay, so let's start with this piece. Get these all in. This is gonna be exciting, guys. Okay, let's go. Okay, I got that in. Ooh, this is kind of hard. With a little YouTube magic and my dad's help, we're done. Okay, so now we need to test it. Look at this. This is pretty cool. It's pretty much the exact same thing. Okay, so let's make this thing. Shoot. What if we did double? Oh. So it go far. Now I'm gonna shoot it at you. Oh my. Okay. And maybe one for myself. So that's how to make this, and hope you have a good time every time you watch this show. Bye. Hope you have a good time every time you watch this show. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, Westbound Sounds, for the music.